YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, we've picked up a little toolkit because I'm getting to the point now where I've got my MIP drivers and everything here, and I'd just like something that I can take out with me. So I'm not having to swap between my actual tools here and pack them all up when I go racing or out bashing with cars. So I wanted a nice little toolkit. So we got this one from RD Models in Chesterfield. So big shout out to Dave and crew there again. We've got the Hobbytech 20th anniversary toolkit. It's got a nice little zip carry case that it comes with. So just quickly running through it, you do have the little tag sticking out top that you can leave sticking out and carry it. They are a really nice handle on these, to be fair. But we've got the body hole reamer. The next one we've got is a 7mm nut driver or socket wrench. Then we also have the 5.5mm, and they are all sort of etched on side so you can see exactly what they are. But I do like the way the different colours as well, so you can tell just by looking at them. Then we have got a 3mm. I don't know if they've actually coloured this or if it is sprung steel, but they do feel quite nice. I have been using this kit purposely for a bit, but they are all marked up Hobbytech and they are all sort of labelled on side. We've also got the 2.5, and I think that one is, when I find it, that's a 2mm. And then we've also got, I believe that one's 1.5, but I will check for you. Yeah, and the 1.5mm. So I do like the way they're all sort of listed, all etched. So if you do put them away with the sides facing out, you can actually see what all the tools are. Then we get this little guy. So we've got sort of a multi-spanner. This will fit quite a few of the sort of track ends, tie bars. So on this one you've got 3, 4 and 5mm, 5.5, 7 and 8, and then we do have this little 6mm, and it's quite curious the way they've actually made it fasten to that also clips onto that, so it keeps them together when they're out on bench. But we've got some nice sort of cutters. So we've got some nice cutters, and again, the handles on these, to say this is not a really expensive kit, they do actually feel quite nice. We've also got these that I could have done with a bit back, so you can use these to pop the ball joints off and crimp them back on. And you've also got two little cutouts that are sort of rounded, so you can actually use them to, and they do grab pretty good. So you've got two different thicknesses, so you could use that for shocks. So I'm just trying to picture if you'd need that for any part of shocks, quite possibly. But yeah, they come in handy if you're trying to split ball joints. You can just pull them open or push them back together. Then we got some body scissors. So if you're in need of some body scissors, it's quite a good kit to buy. And these are all sort of badged up Hobbytech as well. And then we got some snipe nose pliers, which you can never have too many snipe nose pliers, because I tend to do things with snipe nose pliers that you're not meant to and grab them too hard and split the ends off. So yeah, some decent snipe nose pliers with some wire cutters in them always come in handy. But then you've got a couple of spare loops. So if you're not using them, you can, if you've got some extra driver or anything, you can just pop that in there as well. So any of your extra tools can go in. So when we're done, you can just zip it up, and if you want, you can leave that tag sticking out at the top and you can carry it around. So yeah, really nice little Hobbytech toolkit. As I say, not that expensive, especially when you compare it to some of the hoodie tools and stuff like that. So quite a reasonable price, this one. I will put all the price description and link to RD Models where you can buy it from in description at video. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.